Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign out of Google Meet on computer. What you need to do, first just go to Google and type Google Meet, and here is the first link. No, it's this one, meet.google.com. And then just be sure that you log in your account here, and then just you click in the profile icon, and they have different accounts here. If I want to log out, for example, this account, just I click here, and if I want to sign out of all accounts, just click here, sign out of all account. This is what you need to do if you want to sign out of Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.